Hello traders, Sid here with another trade recap, and today's trade recap is going to be quick because I didn't take that many trade in my cash account. I just took one trade on AMD and that was a successful trade, and I basically bring my account to the original uh, level. What I mean by that is like I initiated my account with the $2,000 and today I recovered all my losses and bring it back to the to 2000 plus level. So right now I'm on even ground, and from here onwards I will take trades very cautiously and I will manage my risk um very actively. Like if I see that trade is not going in my favor, I will cut the losses and close the position immediately instead of holding it and hoping it to turn back in my favor. Because that I did that in couple of trades previously. For an example, Tesla and Spotify, and it was not good. I lost significant money over there. Had I cut them instantly when I saw them turning around, like I would have more money in my account rather than just being break even. So today I took a trade on AMD. So AMD is going to announce their earning tonight, and sorry, after us probably now, and based on their it's earning day, so right, maybe because of that it jumped up quite significantly right at the market open, even though entire market was like S&P 500 was kind of like showing some bearishness initially when the market opens. It S&P 500 falls straight down when the market opens, but AMD pushed higher and higher, and I guess it catched that spy movement a little bit late, and it sold off initially. And when it sold off, I bought 5 calls at 278 expiring 1029, that is weekly calls, and sold 5 calls at 340. I didn't hold my options on this move because I was watching at the SPY and SPY was not looking good. It was same as yesterday, it was choppy. So I decided to close my position when I was in the money. So that's what I did. Ended up making $310, so nice profit. And here are my trades. So I got 5 call options on market order at 278 and sold everything at 340. Here is my profit, 310, and brought my account back to the $2000 plus level. So that's it for this trade recap, guys. Thank you for watching and see you again in next trade recap. Bye.